See, how is the respect and manners, everything fully blessed, real. All right, Mr. Pambuka, I don't know, are we going to have some Zimdancehall Awards this year in 2017?
Oh, definitely. On the 29th of December, we shall be having that the Zimdancehall 2017 Awards.
All right.
The venue is still to be announced,
Okay.
but the categories will be released later on tonight.
Later
All
on
the
tonight.
25 categories.
So we've got 25 categories.
And also honorary awards which I'll be giving. So about 5 honorary awards.
All right, cool. Me love it. So the Zimdancehall music are happening, yeah man, 2017 on the 29th of December.
29th of December.
All right. The categories are going to be announced later on tonight.
Later on tonight, you can on the Facebook page.
On the Facebook page.
Zimdancehall 2017.
All right, Zimdancehall
Awards 2017.
All right, straight. I don't know. Any challenges? Do you face any challenges? I don't know, during the organizing the awards. I don't know if you can just care to share with the listeners.
You know what? Yes, a lot of corporates are not performing very, very well in our nation.
Yeah.
But I salute most organizations who are chipping in.
Uh-huh.
We've got a couple of our sponsors, we cannot name them now, who are very much willing to be part of us on the 29th of December. Some will be sponsoring various categories of the awards, like the King of Zimdancehall will have its own sponsor, the Queen of the Zimdancehall will have its own sponsor. So we are trying to make each award have its own sponsor.
All right.
So that's the style we are using.
All right. But so far so good.
So far so good.
All right.
I must say that the ball has started rolling very, very well.
And is it? So 29th of December, that's the date. 2017. To what? My DJ is there going to be a category for
Yeah.
you know, DJs?
Definitely, yeah. People like you are
Yeah.
not too bad because we need to recognize you.
Recently, for the past was they were kutaura ushaye kunezia mwacho tukusia pana mskapi tuma was kana recognize go, but I don't know mati choka we this
Mimi muripo pa ma best Zimdancehall MC.
and is it
Not too bad aripa best Zimdancehall DJ.
and it
Saka vena kuti tichafamba sei koko.
papa nyaya procedure yokuvotera, especially for King of Zimdancehall. How are people going to vote for their favorite artists? I don't know.
Muri Zimdancehall rekatinya sobatsirana. Kuti pasaite mutauro, pasaite confusion, pasaite kana kufungidzira. We are going to use the Facebook page iyoyo.
Okay.
Let me emphasize this. Makasa votera your preferred artist. Isusu turungoshandisa zviri pa Facebook. Saka let us urge your friends, your colleagues kuti vakuvoterei, because if they don't vote, unotona Pambuka pamwarutorana. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. So
it's that open.
That criteria.
We're not going to use WhatsApp.
Okay.
We're not going to use text messages.
All right.
Facebook page.
Comment and on artist wa weba.
Ipapo cheti pamakati.
King of Dance on the John Babu. John. I love the clarity. I love the clarity. It's a very good thing. I'm sure it's going to be very exciting. So I can't wait. You said 29th of December.
Yeah, 29th of December. We're left with about 30 days to go.
All right. We give thanks to that stress here. I just want to ask, I don't know, what is your relationship with artists like Kina, Empress Masina? I don't know, because I'm hearing so many collaborations with these artists. What is your relationship with such artists?
You're like a prophet. The people you've mentioned, Kina and Empress Masina. I'm a news person.
Yeah.
So ndakasvika ndakagogodza pamusuwo pa Kina, ndakagogodza pamusuwo pa Empress Masina, vakandivhurira musuwo, vakatigara apa, mangoma haataurwe, anoshaurwa. So I salute them because they've panel beated me.
Straight.
Mafambira ndungoita iwa bishana.
Which balance of it, nazoma reggae songs, nazoma dancehall songs, which is a very good thing, because you get to hear some artists, they don't do reggae music. I don't know why. One do reggae, they do dancehall music, but you need one which is a very good thing, and I love it so much. I don't know, can you expect anything from you, like singles collection or an album?
Right, album chakabuditsaka, album rangu rinonzi Ukama, rine 19 tracks, nditopisa, kutaura kwandikuita izvezvi. The next assignment, my singles. Because on often what I do when we imba, I don't always can get my collaborations.
Oscar Pambuka live at Zifm. Remember, if you want to ask Oscar Pambuka any questions, do it now. Do it quick and fast. The number to get in touch with Oscar is 0731 168 045. If you want to ask Oscar Pambuka any questions, let's do it now. Let's do it quick and fast. But in the meantime, we're going to play a couple of music and then we're back to